Chef Philip, and we're going to be cooking up delicious ooey gooey roast beef and brie croissant sandwiches. Wow! Check this one out. It's so easy. All we're going to do is we're going to take a freshly baked croissant, we're going to cut it in half, we're going to put soft butter all on each side, we're going to warm up a griddle, and then we're going to put the croissant face down onto the griddle. Let that get nice and toasty until it's nice and golden. Then, in the meantime, while that's going on, we're going to take the rind off of the brie cheese. You can leave it on, but most people prefer to take it off. It's a little tricky, so you just got to be careful with it and just take your time. Oh, looks like the croissants are ready to go. We'll take those off the griddle. With the croissant sitting in front of you, on the bottom portion of the croissant, you're going to take roast beef that I've already pre-done and I've thinly sliced. Now you can have pulled or chunked or sliced beef, that's up to you. You can use the deli kind or you can use leftovers. This is an excellent way to use leftovers. Then you're going to take the slices of brie cheese and place them on the top of the roast beef. Put that onto a tray and place it underneath your broiler until the cheese starts just boiling down over the top of it, gets all bubbly and gooey. Take it out of the broiler, place it back on the cutting board. Now I like to top my things with various items. One of my favorites is caramelized onions. So I'm going to go ahead and just top mine with caramelized onions. And then I have a tangy southwestern sauce that I like to make. I'm going to pour that over the top. I'm going to cut it in half and I'm going to put it on a plate. Look at that. Ooey gooey roast beef and brie croissant. Can't wait to dive into it. I'm Chef Philip Dell, and we just made an outstanding croissant sandwich.